Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a painting I've labeled Ribbons of Copper, and I think you'll see why in a minute. This is a 14-inch round, and first paint is going down. This is Copperplate by Firedots. It's mixed with at a 3-to-1 ratio with my pouring medium, and you'll see up on the upper left that the link to that, how I do that. This is Blue-Green by Pebeo. That video will explain how I put together my pouring mediums. There's another one for my cell activators also. Next is Pearlescent White by Firedots. I'm going to be using 2 of these today, and you'll see the next one here in just a minute. Next color is Blue Black by Pebeo. This is metallic gold, and it's a boom gel product. This aids in cell formation. And this is Pearlescent White by Boom Gel. And that's the reason for the 2 different. This is my cell activator. It's lamp black, and it's Amsterdam. And it's mixed with 3 parts of Australian Floetrol. I have a link to that video above now. Okay, I'm going to repeat this process to get the second half of the ribbon. This is Copperplate again. This is Pebeo Blue-Green. This is Firedots Pearlescent White. This is Blue Black by Pebeo. I didn't use it in the first one, I don't think. And the Blue Black has a denim look to it. This is the Pearlescent White Boom Gel. And hard to see here, but there really is a difference between the 2. The metallic gold again, boom gel. All in preparation. This is the Willy Wagtail Black. And this is all in preparation of putting down my cell activator. The boom gel helps the cell activator. Lamp Black by Amsterdam. Mix 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. If you have any questions or comments, I'd invite you to leave it in the comments section below. And also, you'll find there a list of all the products that I used in today's video. It's time for me to do a little bit of fiddling with this. I'm going to do quite a bit of modifications, take my skewer and start to add some embellishments here. It's been a long time since I've done the embellishments pulling through the paint, and I really love this look, and I don't always do it, so it's nice to be able to do it again today. But I pulled through, and now I'm going to pull out from the middle. This is what I find really enjoyable, to be able to go in and just play around in the paint just a little bit, enhance what's there, and try to make some interest points that weren't there before. just taking a quick look here, what else I need to do, and what I'd like to see bring out a little bit. This little swirly here, actually in the finished product, you'll see is was a good decision to do. Added some interest there that wouldn't have otherwise been there. Okay, time to spin it off. Several reasons why we spin. And first off, it's to open up the designs that are there, to open up the cells and spread things out just a little bit. The second is to get some of the paint off the surface. Don't get enough paint, what ends up happening is you'll have crazing or cracking. And crazing is where it doesn't go all the way to the surface, but you can see that it's there. And cracking is will actually go down all the way to the surface that you're painting on. Neither are looks that I'm particularly fond of, so I try to avoid them. It takes a lot of spinning. There's more paint on here than I would have liked to have had, but all in all, I'm actually liking what I'm seeing here. Pulling out a goober, or at least what I thought was going to be a goober. It turned out to be, I think, a bubble. I did not talk about my pillow paint on this. This is PBG Multi-Pro, and I get that at Tone Depot. And it's the most cost-effective lotion house paint that I've found for my pillow paint. And I went back to this after working with some of the Color to Go, and now I understand why I really like this paint. I know how it's going to react. So it's my go-to. I'll put that in also down in the description so you'll be able to see what it was that I used. I think we're down to the point where I just need to clean up my edges a little bit, and I'm pretty much satisfied with what I'm seeing here. And I'll take you down for a closer look in just a second. It's about time for the flyover. I want you to notice the cells in this. They're actually very nice, and the modifications I made enhanced what was there. So I couldn't be happier. That's the swirl I was talking about. And that helped that section right there because it's kind of muddled. So I couldn't be happier with the way this turns out. We'll see how it dries. If you find this video useful today, I invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here today. Bye now.